Evening, guys. We're Team 8, and we were quite rushed, as a lot of us were. But let me explain what our problem was and how we decided to get around it. So we did actually have a code, but the code didn't want to work. So just go with the idea, right? So what we have here is we have a place where they can input the passwords. We had the code ready and all it, but it didn't work. So, but basically, as soon as they inputted the correct code, there would be a light going off, a green light indicating that access has been granted to this school building. And we decided the school building should be the greenhouse at the school because once again Tabo is struggling to keep people out of private school buildings such as the greenhouse. So yeah, as soon as you get access to the greenhouse, there's a motion detector, not motion detector also, seeing if you're allowed to be in here, I think. Was it? Yeah. And then yeah, we also have the moisture detector, making sure that whatever is occurring inside is being detected.